Welcome back to Tried, Tested, and True Instant Pot Cooking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest, cheapest, crowd-pleasing, family favorite, quick and easy, fast, delicious instant pot meal. It's chicken drumsticks. Let's get started with our chicken drumsticks. So first, you can make these with a fresh or semi-frozen or frozen chicken drumstick. That's the best part about it. They can go fresh or frozen. You want to first stack them in the Instant Pot. Take your trivet and put it in the Instant Pot, or if you have any sort of other rack, and add 1 cup of water. Next, stack your drumsticks in the Instant Pot for maximum airflow. If you buy them when they're on sale, you can get a big pack of those chicken drumsticks for like $3 or $4, and if you get like 2 of them, you could feed up to 6 people. It's pretty amazing. So that's why I love making these chicken drumsticks. Close the lid, turn the knob to sealing, and then we're going to cook from 10 to 12 minutes. 10 minutes for fresh drumsticks, 11 minutes for semi-frozen, and 12 minutes for frozen drumsticks. Watch this video and just see how big my drumsticks are. These were the 10 to 12 minute range. If you have ginormous drumsticks, just tack on a couple more minutes. While the chicken is cooking in the Instant Pot, go ahead and turn your broiler on so it gets nice and hot and preheated. You can also do this in the air fryer or your grill. When the 10 to 12 minutes is up, just simply do a quick release on the Instant Pot, let all the pressure out, and then open the lid, and then your chicken is ready to go. I like to put the cooked chicken on a broiler plate and then broil them. This is kind of an extra step, but I just like it for extra flavor, but you can totally eat them as is. So arrange your chicken drumsticks on the broiler pan or a cookie sheet lined with foil, and then you're going to baste each chicken drumstick with your favorite sauce. We love to do ours with buffalo sauce, barbecue sauce. We can do them plain with olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can do like a Korean gochujang sauce. You could do anything that you like. That's why it's so awesome. You can do a bunch of chicken drumsticks and then baste them all in different sauces. And then it's kind of like a drumstick buffet. You can have whatever you want. After you've basted your chicken drumsticks, just pop them in the oven in the broiler or on the grill, and then broil for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're nice and caramelized. I like to flip them over, baste again, and do the same thing and then broil them again on the other side. Also, really fast, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here with me. This week we hit a huge milestone. We hit 50,000 subscribers. That means that there are 50,000 of us together here on this channel, cooking, watching, talking. I'm just so grateful. I just want to thank you for being here with me, for sharing my videos with others, for commenting, liking, and I could not be more grateful. So thank you. So grateful to you. After they come out of the oven, I like to do just 1 extra basting of sauce because I am a total sauce girl. I love dipping. I love extra sauce in anything. So I like to do a little bit of extra sauce at the end, and then you just enjoy. All right, if you like this recipe, I bet you will love my 4 dump and go recipes with 4 ingredients or less, or my 26 Instant Pot do's and don'ts. Okay, I'll see you next week. Thanks, bye.